everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am going to be doing two unboxings of monthly and bi-monthly prescription boxes. The first one we open is the bi-monthly one, which is the Tribal beauty box. And then I'm going to do the Oh Yes monthly one. I've seen reviews on the Tribal one, so I'm going to open that one first. So let's dive right into it. And the first thing is a HD setting spray from Bella Paris Cosmetic. I'm not sure what it says, but that is it right there. It has no scent at all. And the next one is from a company called Kaz Cosmetics. It is a Luxe Lip Treatment. And it's Andromeda. Its color is called. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. Kind of a peachy silvery. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this because I'm not a big fan of lip glosses or toppers very much. That is really pretty though. The next one is from Cargo Cosmetics. It's a powder blush. And I'm not sure. It's called K Largo, or something like that. Let's see what it looks like. And if I sound funny, I think I'm coming down with a cold. I'm sorry about that, guys. I am not feeling well. It's a cute little tin. Let's see what the color is. Ooh, pink. It's very pinky. It's pretty. This one. Okay. That's pretty. And next is from the Balm Natural Eyeshadow Primer. And this box right here, you got to choose which one of the eyeshadow palettes you got. There's like 3 choices. I can't remember all of them right now off the top of my head. But I went with the Vivid, sorry. This does not want to come out. I'm sorry guys, this does not want to come out of it. Wow, they make this a little difficult to get out. And it doesn't help with nails. I'm trying to pull it out. Yeah, this is going to be one that does not want to work. There you go. Ah, got it finally. So, here it is. It's an eye primer. It's not too bad. I'll give it a try sometime. See how it works. Anything else? So, eyeshadow palette. So this is from Ruby May. And it's their Vivid Vibes palette. And I'll show you what it looks like. That is it there. Sorry, I don't know what the heck's going on with my light. That's it right there. Really pretty. I like this one. I like this one better than the other ones. That is it for the tray. So let's go over what we got. Set this off to the side. So we got an eyeshadow palette. We got a setting spray. We got a Luxe Lip Treatment, a blush from Cargo, and the Balm and eyeshadow primer from that. Now, let me open up the Oh Yes one to see what's in it. I haven't opened this one because this is the one I've been wanting to look at. do like how discreet these bags are. They're cute. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do above my head and see what I pull out. I will do this. What is this? Oh, it's from Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. I don't have good thoughts on those. I don't know what it is, but ones I used before. Oh, I shouldn't have looked. I'll grab. Okay, so here's this. And this theme is Time to Travel. Okay, next thing, I'll go with this little guy. Oh, I got just dropped it. And stuff fell out. And I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking because I don't want to know. Decided to slide right on my hand. Sorry about that, guys. Try not to look. Let me set this back down. So I got I think it's a eyeliner and brush thing from, I'm not going to try to pronounce it. I'll put down all the stuff I got. It's a really cute little brush. See, there's the name. I'll grab this big box that pop out. So we have Zactic Revive Eye Serum, Pomegranate and Eye Bright. And here's brand. Let's see what happens. I had to switch over to my cell phone now because I have no batteries. But it's this serum. So let's see what it smells like. I'm trying to make this go faster because it's annoying. But let's see what it smells like. Not much of a smell. A little bit of pomegranate, but I may do getting sick. I can't smell very well. And let's see what else is in there. Feels like there's only 2 things left. So the next thing is it's an eye thing from Marabella. Eyeshadow primer. Oh, I have another eyeshadow primer. I've got 2 eye primers. Cool. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, cute. A little silver too. Oh, it's nude color. Let's see. Oh, it's a little chunky. Chunky. But it doesn't have much of tint. But it definitely, I don't know if you can see that, but on my finger, that's chunky. I'll give it a try, but who knows. Okay, this. Yeah, one last thing. And it's Maybe Take Me to Stockholm. It's cruelty free, heritable free, gluten free, vegan friendly. Made in China. What is it? Let's see. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Pretty. I don't know if I would use this, but it's cute. Swedish Night Train. The names are cute. Give it a whirl, but it's pretty. But that is it. That was all from that one. That was it. And so to recap, I got a eyeshadow palette, an eye primer, beauty blender, a dual-sided brush for eye makeup and brows, and a serum, eye serum. So that is it. And if you guys like this video, please click the like button down below. If you want to, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell. And I do air every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And until then, you guys have a wonderful day, okay? Bye.